Mass sit-in protests were staged across Valley districts today, demanding the withdrawal of legal notice served to social worker Maheshwar Thonojam by Assam Rifles. A protest demonstration was also held at Thamaiban Thau ground and Thamaiban Yumnam Lekai. Speaking to media, President of Thamaiban Yumnam Lekai, 𝐀𝐆𝐀𝐈𝐍𝐒 𝐻𝐒𝐃 Munna expressed strong condemnation at issuance of legal notice to Maheshwar for speaking the truth and voicing the concerns of the civilians. She demanded revocation of the legal notice and removal of Assam Rifles who have been biased in their conducts from Manipur. It may be mentioned that Assam Rifles issued the legal notice on August 18th to Maheshwar Thonojam, who is the National Secretary of the Republican Party of India (RPI) Athawale, for allegedly making derogatory allegations against the force in the Manipur conflict and demanding its removal from the state during a condolence meeting held in Delhi on June 30th. In the notice, the Assam Rifles said that Maheshwar Thonojam had done considerable harm to the reputation and standing of the organization in the public eye.
सच बोलने के लिए नतीजा ये मिल रहा है ना कि अभी जो सच बोल रहा है उसको तो ये असम राइफल को निकालना चाहिए। अभी वो सब झूठ बोल रहा है। अभी सच बनने के लिए नतीजा ये है, इसका ऊपर में जो केस चल रहा है उसको जल्दी जल्दी करके निकालना चाहिए। असम राइफल को भी मणिपुर से हटाना।
Kurai Thangzam Lekai Apunban Upillup also staged sit-in pressing the same demand at Kurai Chingamam Lerak Angami Machin today. Speaking on the occasion, President of Kurai Thangzam Lekai Apunban Upillup Chingamam Ombi Jibunmala also condemned the legal notice served to Maheshwar, who has been representing the voice of the people during this present crisis to protect the integrity. Also condemning the silence of the government in this crucial juncture, she maintained that mothers are prepared to launch intense stir if the government fails to take up substantial step to restore peace in the state.
Ado mahangna amuk Narendra Modi da India government da haigadabane ba haibagi mahutta moy chalure amana amuk chatkani aduga moyge yanare mana tapanga o haire adagi Amit Shah na chinga age haire tapanga ko ma di chinga tamya da khoi ja isu mayam na khoi bungak piraga khoi na beli da kaya amna shanti da lei ba ngai ba mayam do khoi di nungti gi chali lan ma phong tu ba ta khoi di mera kai di nungti gi chali ahin ngama ma khai da lei ani da lei hori ba mayam di moy di ngom da
Lamlong Kaithel Apunban Upillup also staged protest at the Lamlong Kaithel. President of the Loop R.K. Dhanapati also demanded the notice be withdrawn at the earliest.
Central government अखोई मणिपुर की मक्ता माने लाव गांगबी दना पुनः मक्से तंबंग अम्मे बसे अखोई लीडर अंतर बंगसी बाबू तंबिद्री बा हाबिद्री बा तान नबा मोइनो जे साइड गांगी बा फाने पालम बसु जे पाली बसु पुनः मक्सेना लेबा की अवाब फोंदोक को मतमदा पॉलिटिक्स सानबे मओंग मान बा पोत गांगता वेना गांगना दना लेबा जे मणिपुर जे सिरि बा मिसि मेना थोइ बा मयाम सिगी अखोई इंडिया गवर्नमेंट अखोइना करी हागदगे हाबदि मोइ हुमफुगी मथौ दांगने.
Protest demonstrations were also staged at Laringmam Lekai, Laipam Kunau, Thamaiban Maisnam Lekai, Thamaiban Hijam Lekai, Thamaiban Hijam Diwan Lekai, Larumpure Lekai, Thobal Khetri Lekai, Wangkai Mahobam Lampak, Tera Lokrakpam Lekai, etc. Women's Welfare Association and Progressive Youth Organization also staged a sit-in at Uripok, Sorbonthingel, Harumbam Lekai against the serving of legal notice to Maheshwar Thonojam by Assam Rifles. Speaking to media persons, spokesperson of Women's Welfare Association and Progressive Youth Organization, Sorumbam Umbi Sagolshem Rama said, Maheshwar Thonojam has been the voice of the people against the ethnic violence in Manipur across the country. Stating that Maheshwar Thonojam voiced people's demand for withdrawal of Assam Rifles from the state for their partisan attitude in tackling the state crisis, Rama demanded the legal notice be revoked at the earliest.
Leibak asida tungan mamungda misan khainai bamungda sathaiba tawba thu kya spam da basi ma kadala tana leibak asi CSO khudima praja khudima khudima ban da thu adu mahang na law ba samrai pin manipuri lo khokro hai ko law asi miyam no ki khonjelni adu natana BJP Manipur Pradesh na India ki Home Minister da Assam Rifles Manipur locate ko haina thak se se ne bani adu punna maksadi karimba mata haidraga Tonogam Mahesta atamnana mangunda legal notice Assam Rifles thak pase yajaninde pamjade aduna athuba matanda masigi legal notice se handopiu raja amoina pamjabasi lebak se thokliba irang se athuba matamda hanjalangiba PCM sana akoi CSO ma'am punsin biu kanai phulau ta ga da bano kanai taru da guna hari center na su aduga aikoi manipur gi lebak na su bap ta te ko ngaura hai ko waphan je ta ba yamna anga phaujai maramdi lebak pu ngakpi ga ne na song thokpirak liba CM ma'am punna munna power sinaraga ohen bibani prajai khu gi apam se sar khu gi apam na ta baraba aikoina khuting thorakba asi piu kholu haina lawba ningai to boina ngai biri ba sikari no isana isagi thau kangna praja miyam se ngakpi dana protection pibiu amagi waphan na praja pun sunungai na lebas de inna tamna panba athuba matamna pilabiu ha gawan se asi aroi boina thunjage
Pangai Apunba Mairapaibil Lob staged a sit-in demonstration at Pangai Bazaar today, demanding withdrawal of legal notice issued by Assam Rifles against 𝐻𝐒𝐶 𝐂𝐻, who is not only the National Secretary of Republican Party of India, 𝐶𝐓, but also Central Working Committee member. Mairapaibil also stopped the Assam Rifles vehicles as a mark of protest against issuing a legal notice against 𝐻𝐻 𝐂𝐻, who has been speaking against the violence in the state since May the 3rd. Protesters also held banners requesting government employees and offices to cease work for today.